Hey everyone, welcome back to More Fabrics. If you're new here, hello, I'm glad you're here. You get to see these beautiful goodies that I have on my desk. For those who've been following me, know that I've been working really hard on the quilted quilts bundles for you guys. I've been sick, and so now I am back. Down below are ways to follow me, so don't forget to go down there and like, subscribe, and all that's good stuff. But let's dig right in. I'm in the new shop, which you guys kind of get a sneak peek of it. But right now I want to show you what's on the counter. These are the retro ones. I did a few themes. This is the first set that I wanted to show you guys. The honeycomb style type of quilt blocks on top. You'll get two of them. So what you see is what you'll get bundles. I made sure that when I did these guys for you guys, I wanted you guys to choose your bundles. So down below is a direct link to the Etsy shop. Once you get in there with that link, you will see all the different bundles. You get to see in the listing. What you see is what you get. I wanted you guys to choose. Here are the second sets of bundles that you guys oh my gosh, these turned out amazing. These will have embroidery scissors as well. Those other bundles will have embroidery floss and buttons in their pack as well. But this bundle will have the embroidery scissors. I had a limited supply. These bundles I included embroidery, hankies and napkins, along with the scissors and embroidery floss. So they're just beautiful. All are the same price. Yes, guys. All these bundles are the same price, regardless of the ones with the scissors. The scissors are going to be part of the daily deal in these packs. There's a limited supply, that's why. So those are the ones you want to guys grab first. Again, these have their own individual listings there in the Etsy shop. Look at this. See, full hankies. They're so cool. As I'm doing this one-handedly, sorry guys. They're just absolutely beautiful. Just check them out. I did a photo shoot and everything per each bundle, so grab them while you can. Like I said, these turn out really good, but wait till you guys see the next set. The next set are just gorgeous. At the end of the video, you guys will get to see them individually. Here's the third set. The third set are very shabby cottage chic bundles. They are so soft and pinks and blues, just absolutely gorgeous. You guys are going to absolutely love those as well. I don't know which set I love the best, but again guys, wait to the end of this video. I'm going to show you the sets here as well. Enjoy the music. I hope you guys grab that link down below and see these beautiful packs.